By the way guys, itong suot ko lagi, it's not a team. I'm part of Team Kirkenes and this is Flick. So, itong jersey na to, local brand, Cagayan de Oro. Hindi din ako sponsored. Kataon lang, favorite brand ko na local. Very affordable for the quality. Pinaka-favorite about it, two things. Actually, three. It's light, hindi siya bumibigat, pinapawisan. And I don't get nipple burns or blisters after a long run. So that's one indication na maganda yung suot mo. We're not a team, but lahat na nakasuot nito, we all have one thing in common. And that is to never give up. We're at the heart of the champion. Recovery run tayo from wrestle days. Sa one challenge ng Flick. So, 12 km easy. Let's get it, baby. 1K, 6:30. Easy pace lang. Chill, chill. It's time to recover. Control the breathing, control the pacing, and enjoy the run. Go, 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 go! Let's vault in! Grabe, mali nga easy pace. 440. Make it look easy, make it look easy. 440, let's go! Follow the leader. Nakiwala yung leader. Matakot sumabay sa training ng malalakas. Tara, lumakas ka rin. Siyempre, kung doon ka sa mahina, hihina ka din. Holler. O, di ba? May jumping ano pa. So, pasabay tayo sa mga section 1 mates ko. Ako section 4. Section 1. Ito yung easier run nila. Yeah. So, para ako nag-race. So, let's go. 2.7k in. Surprisingly, this kind of easy today. Depende talaga sa kasama mo. SM up down. 3.5 kilometers. Let's go. So habol ako ulit sa kanila mamaya. Kung makita ko man sila. Water muna ako. Resume. Nakapag water na tayo. So try natin sila salubungin. Ayun sila. There is no escape. Back at 5:47. Let's go. 171. Gusto ko pa mag-keep up. You have to listen to your body to avoid injuries. There's a threshold pace and there's a point where you push yourself. And there's also a point that you have to be smart about it. So pababain ko lang. Habol tayo ulit. So 161. Pwede na to. Let's go. Ayan lang. 4:30. Hindi kita ka mag-gets. Pag nakikita ko sila, gusto nga sabihin ko sa kanila, matik parang hindi ba sobrang easy, but it becomes a little bit easier. So, sumabay kayo sa malalakas para lumakas kayo. 172 ulit. So, pababae mo muna konti ulit. Oh, it was supposed to be recovery easy run. But it is what it is. Nag-downhill sila. We will not do that. So, backtrack tayo. Running at ano to? 7:30. Hopefully, well, pretty sure abutan nila ako dito. Tuloy ang laban. 7 lang pace natin. Masakit yung tuhod ko. So, ganitang race kahapon. So, nagbibigyan na naman tayo. Kasabi ko lang control eh. Let's go! Hindi ko na sila mahanap. So, back to easy pace naman tayo. Pero nasa 146 konti takbo ko, nag-150 na kagad. So, sa Bisaya pa, nayati na eh. Ever the case, ever the circumstances, And whatever the challenge is, always one foot right in front of the other. Yung sabi ni Coach VJ, di ba? It applies lalo na kung hirap na hirap ka na. At ayun, I feel like stopping. I'm really tired. But yun yung pinapagawa ni Coach. 12 kilometers, mabilis, mabagal. Tapusin natin. Let's go! Sometimes it's not about the pace. Actually, it's never about the pace. It's about moving forward and finishing the race, finishing the distance, or finishing the time. Yun naman yung importante. The moment that you stop, matik yun. Talo ka na. Pero kahit mabagal ka, kahit last ka sa race, as long as you finish it, and not let your demons win, panalo ka pa rin, brother. Yun na lagi mo isipin. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Tapos na si Master. Sama ko siya papunta sa kanyang car. Meron pa akong 2 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
So ito yung tinatawag namin Chica Pace.
Yes, sir.
540. Let's go.
Okay. So, bago pa sir, taas yung heart rate. Ako heart.
12 kilometers. Done. This is Max. Tapos na tayo sa wakas. And always remember, in anything and in everything that you do, always do it to the max. Let's go.